Watch out, Jonathan. Jonathan, watch out.
Push.
Go, push.
That ain't how you do it. Yeah, like that.
Go, Jason.
Go, baby.
Gotta go this way. Close that door, Cameron. Go, Jason. Go.
Push.
Come on, Jason.
Push.
Get on it.
Maybe you need some help.
Go, baby.
Jonathan, stop. Go, Jason. Ride it.
Go, baby. You want to do like you do.
Go.
You ride it in.
Push.
Put your feet down. Push.
Now push. Go.
That's one of those things that you gotta turn with it. I didn't know it don't turn like that.
No, this one you lean, it turns.
I know he don't know how to do that.
Yeah.
Good job, boo.
That's for his age. The other ones is not.
Get your scooter.
Jonathan, show him how it's done.
Okay.
Jason, he said he don't want to ride it. Go, Jason, get on it. Ride it. Come on. Now push. Put your foot. It's all right.